You can spend a lot of time looking at products and still not feel confident enough to actually pick one. You go through options, compare a few things, and everything feels decent, but nothing really stand out enough to move forward with. So instead of going through that again, I decided to try a different approach. I opened Doba AI, started recording, and tested their AI tools live to see how far it can actually take the process in one session. No spreadsheets, no spending hours checking trends, no jumping between tools, just one focused run to see what actually happens from start to finish. I have already spent enough time doing product research the usual way, going through suppliers, trying to guess what might work, importing products that don't move, dealing with slow shipping, and then just watching the store sit there. And the frustrating part is it's not always obvious what went wrong. You think the product is fine, the page looks decent, but it is still does not move. So this time I was not trying to overthink it. I just wanted to see if this setup actually make that part more structured and easier to move through. When I logged in, the AI hub was right there on the home page. I think it's centered around that. There's a section called AI Picker which focuses on product sourcing. On the left side, it shows AI picked product grouped in 3 tabs. That is best selling, high profit, and rising stars. Each one is clearly labeled so you can switch depending on what you are trying to find. And what I liked here is you are not starting from a blank search. You are already have categories of products that are filtered in different ways. Below that, they are sourcing by category. Beauty and health was already selected, and inside that there are multiple subcategories like fragrance, skincare, hair care, wellness, and more niche sections as well. So instead of manually digging through everything, you are narrowing things down right from the start. I went into beauty and health and gave it a direct instructions. Show me product data trending right now with around 25 to 30% margin potential, fast shipping to the US, and clear demand signals. And after a short wait, results started showing up, and this is where it gets interesting. These were not just random listing through together. I saw products like portable face streamers, LED therapy masks, hair tools, wellness gadgets, and fragrance kits. And as you can also see, each product card includes supplier details, demand indicators, estimated pricing range, a one-click import option. So instead of just seeing a product, you are seeing some context behind it, how it's performing, how it's priced, and where it's coming from. And that alone already saves time compared to checking everything manually. I went through the list and picked up the few that looks like strong candidates based on what was shown. A skincare device that's getting attention, a couple of wellness products, and some tools that already seem to be trending. Not blindly picking, but just shortlisting what actually makes sense. And after that, I moved to integrations. TikTok Shop and Temu were available to connect, so I linked bot accounts. That part did not take long. Once connected, products could be pushed directly. And this is where you start to notice the difference. Images, descriptions, and pricing were already structured, so I did not feel like rebuilding everything manually. And you are not copying and pasting, not formatting everything from scratch. It's already prepared in a usable way. And of course, you can send product to Shopify, TikTok Shop, eBay, Amazon, or Walmart depending on where you want to sell. And since many suppliers are US based, shipping tends to be faster and tracking is handled automatically through the system. So not worrying about where the product is or manually updating orders. Then I moved to Doba Pilot, and this is their conversational AI agent. As you can see, the interface is simple, a chat window and a few helper options like quick listing, smart sourcing, and store setup. Like nothing too complicated. I gave it a direct instruction. Set up a TikTok Shop store focused on beauty and wellness product under $50. Find 10 product with around 30% margin potential, list them, and keep inventory updated. And from there, it started processing step by step, not instantly dumping results, but actually working through it. It connected the stores, pulled product data, prepared listing, adjust pricing, and shown the selections before finalizing. And you can actually follow what it's doing: product selection, then listing preparation, and then store updates. So it's not a black box, you can see the steps as they happen. And this is where it becomes more flexible. You are not limited to one type of instruction. You can run different commands depending on what you are typing to do at that moment. For example, find trending home storage products and list them to my store. Pick best selling products under $100 with at least 15% margin. Authorize my Shopify store and list 10 products directly. Find health and beauty product with stock above 20 and free shipping. Each time the system processes the request, finds matching products, shown them, and lets you review before listing. So you are not still making the decision, but the heavy lifting, finding and filtering and preparing is handled for you. And once everything was ready, I let it complete the listing. The product were added, pages were structured, and everything was ready inside the store. And at that point, it actually looks like a working setup, not something half now finished. To test it properly, I placed a sample order through TikTok Shop. The order went through, the supplier handled fulfillment, and tracking was updated automatically. From listening to order to fulfillment to tracking, the flow works the way you did expect. This setup brings a few things together: AI picker for sourcing, Doba Pilot for execution, integration with TikTok, Temu, Shopify, and other platforms, all connected into one workflow. And what stands out is how the process is handled. You are not switching between tools, not doing everything manually, not trying to connect pieces yourself. You describe what you want, review what the system gives you, and move forward. And you do not need a complicated setup to get started. Even if someone is new, they can follow the same flow: choose a category, run prompts, review products, and list them. And the best part, there's also an early access offer right now. You can get 30 days of Doba Pilot for $90.99 instead of the original offer that is $39.99. If you want to try it out, the link is of course in the description. Open AI Picker, explore categories, try a few prompts, and then switch to Doba Pilot and let it build from there. So that's it. Connect to your store, review everything, and move forward step by step. And if you have any questions, curious to this video, then definitely let me know in the comments. And finally, try it yourself and see what kind of products you end up finding. And before going hit that, of course, that subscribe button and that like button too. And if you want to learn more about Doba and AI tool like this, then definitely go and watch this video now.